How you doing? I'm Brent from liftsladdersandocks.com. I'm here with another video for you showing you our foam float strips. I think these are the best way to do all your lifts. If you want to do your dock with these, you can still bundle them up. But this is the most versatile way to use them for work purposes. Obviously, you can't use these as a swim raft anymore. Versus using half of our floats for the dock and then using them for the lifts, the hoist. It's kind of a pain versus doing the strips. I'll show you why. So, got our lift go. It's a wider model of our jet ski lift essentially with deeper legs. This one's more for a john boat. I have it set up for 2 stand-ups here. They're wider stand-ups just to get a lot more space to put the covers on. Go through them, put your steps on. The staggered height bunks, so one will stay on there a little bit while you get the primary one off. We always have questions when people are using these. They see how easy these are. Then the next question is, how do I get over a seawall? So I'm going to show you. I've got about a 5-foot seawall here, completely by myself. Just got some steel pipes propped up as a ramp. So obviously it'll take a little bit of muscle or coordination, but I'm just going to use these foam strips. These come sold in a set of 7. All boat lifts require at least 2 sets. So you got 14 strips there. The shore stations, flow, any hydraulic hybrid, shoremate, and just some of the bigger lifts all require 3 sets or up to 3 sets. So it just depends. It's all on the weight balance, not necessarily the weight itself. So in this case, we got 4 or 5 should do it here on this little lift. Float to the steel pipes, shove it up the wall. So this is why we like the strips. Just end up standing on them, sinking them down. Eventually, the lower bars there. I've got it going through the cradle framework and the lower front spreader. So a lot of you think that you can get the half pieces of our floats, that you'll be able to just sink them down like this. That's not the case. I got 2 floats, 2 strips, popping it up already. That's the heavy end with the winch. If you had a bunch of guys, maybe you could get a half one under, but I rarely ever see a half one. We have our crane lifted up under there, but generally we prefer the strips. I'm adding the 3rd one here just so it'll float nice and high when I try to ramp up under these pipes. We'll go from there. Over there on the heavier lifts like Shore Station or Atlas, where they have all the weight on the one side with the winch tube, or any hydraulic vertical cable hybrid lift where it's got a hydraulic ram lifting the cradle up and down vertically with the cable still. Those are always way off balance, so we use the strips to even it out a little bit. So you can sit here and self-adjust a little bit. Balance it out as necessary. I've got the lighter end in the back. That's the one I'm going to be lifting mostly up on the wall, using the steel pipes as a ramp. Got to leave this end floating. Try to drag it up. Hope my feet don't snag on the wall. Give me problems there since I am alone. Otherwise, it would be quite simple. I got the pipes wedged into the sand, so hopefully they don't move. walk across the lake. In there, got a sinkhole, but I'm gonna use this, lift it up. Alright, now I'm just gonna grab that rope, unshore, drag it back, go. Watching. LiftSlidersandDocks.com, just south of Kalamazoo, Michigan, in Schoolcraft. See you later.